Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unboxing wireless earphone model Pro5. Now can see the box and packaging about the Pro5 wireless earphone. Let's see inside what it has. Here is the information of Pro5 introduction. Here is charger. The same charging of a smartphone, iPhone. Here is Pro5 wireless earphone. The battery off for the earphone, you can charging. It's like a power bank charging. So for the Pro5 is the copy brand grade A. That is the good quality. So I want to tell all of you about this Pro5. For the standby time, 120 hours, and this is a wireless case. So for the Pro5, this Pro5 is support with the iOS and Android. Very easy to connecting. So I will do for all of you how to connect it. It's easy to connecting. We just open it up and then it will have connected, and it will have inform us about the battery life of earphone and the cache for the battery life 100%, and then the cache wireless 100% also. So this is very easy. We just open the Bluetooth and open the wireless, so it will connect automatically. And for the music, it also very strong and very good for listening. Strong. For the standby time is 120 hour standby time, and for we listening for my experience almost 1 hour to 2 hours. For this Pro5, for the price in the Alibaba for the in the website is about $12. It's about $12. If you want to order from Alibaba and arrive in your country, with the shipping cost and the other cost, I think around $20. And I use this wireless Pro5 is very good quality, and the price is the good quality for me when I use it. So thank you for everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video for more product review and unboxing. Thank you.